Hello, grade 4 children. Welcome back to our social science video. Children, as you all know that we have already completed our revision, our syllabus of chapter 9 to 14th, and we are doing revision videos. So, this is the second video of our revision, and today we will be discussing about the worksheet. Let me inform you, worksheet I have already mailed you on PDF, and this is the discussion. So I request all that please solve your worksheet by yourself first, then check the answer with the help of the video, or you can use your student's book also. So let's start. And children, whatever is given in this worksheet are just examples of what can be asked in the exams. Okay, so let's start with our first question. Children, first question is observe the graph and answer the question. Children, do you remember that in the chapter of weather and climate, we have studied the map, right? We have studied the graph of in the worksheet, right? If we have seen the graph of rainfall in the different month, right? And we have to answer the question that follows. So in the same way, this is the example of observe the graph and answer the question. So can you see, it is given different months are given: January, February, March, April, May, June, and different amount of rainfall which it was received. That means in January how much amount of rainfall is received, in February how much amount of rainfall is received, that is given. Now let me again remind you, this is the example, not the same graph which we have done in the workbook. It is not as same as it is a different one. This is just an example. So we have to study this graph and answer the question. Now first question which is given in your worksheet is, in which month city has received highest amount of rainfall? So tell me children, by looking in the graph given, that in which month the city has received the highest amount of rainfall. Yes, you are all are correct. In May month, city has received highest amount of rainfall. This is the first question. Now second one is, how much rainfall was received in the month of June? So see the graph and tell me that how much amount of rainfall was received in the month of June. Yes, you all are correct. There was 30 mm of rainfall received in the month of June. Okay. Now next question. Question number 3. In which month city has received lowest amount of rainfall? Lowest means very less. So in which month the city has received the lowest amount of rainfall? Yes, in the June month again the city has received lowest amount of rainfall. So this is the example how we can ask the graph study and answer the questions in exam, and you have to write accordingly. I hope you all are clear with our first question. Next question is observe the picture and answer the question. We have done many observe the picture and answer the question in the workbook, and this is one of the example for the exam. Okay, so what picture can you see in the screen? कौन सा picture है? Which picture is given? So let me tell you what is the first question in the worksheet is that what is shown in the above picture. So what was the picture is of? Yes, so this picture is of wheat crop. Okay, so this picture is of wheat crop. Now next question. Question number 2 is, name the states where it is found. So wheat crop is grown in which state? Okay, so it is found in the states of Bihar and Punjab. Bihar and Punjab are the main states where the wheat crop can be grown. Question number 3 and the last question. What type of climate is required to grow this crop? So what type of climate is required to grow this crop? This crop requires cool temperature and bright sunshine to grow. Okay. So how required cool temperature, not so hot, not so cool. It requires moderate, and it requires bright sunshine also to grow. So that's all about your worksheet which is given. Let me again tell you, this is just an example of what can be asked in exam. This will not ask as it is given. It is just an example. So follow your blueprint, study well from the student's book and workbook, and till the next video, everyone take care of yourself. Bye bye.